Hi, this is Tina with Oh Snap Let's Eat. Today I'm going to show you how to make Chinese beef with mushroom stir fry. First, gather the ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of beef cut into smaller pieces. This can be strips, cubes, or slices. For the marinade, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of thick soy sauce, also known as soy paste, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of sugar. And you'll also need 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 8 ounces of mushrooms sliced, and a teaspoon of garlic minced. Combine your beef and all the marinade and sauce ingredients in a large bowl or Ziploc bag. If you are about to cook it, let it marinate at the very least 15 to 30 minutes. And if you're making this ahead, cover and refrigerate for about 30 minutes before cooking, or up to overnight. In a large non-stick skillet or wok, heat cooking oil over medium-high heat. And when the oil is hot, add the beef and stir fry until mostly browned, and then remove from the heat and set aside. Next, add mushrooms and minced garlic, and stir fry for about 2 minutes or until mushrooms start to soften. Then add the beef back into the pan and stir fry the beef with the mushrooms together for about 1 more minute or longer if you want it to be more well done. Remove from the heat and serve. And that's how you make Chinese beef with mushrooms. Subscribe for more delicious Asian recipes.